Where's your emergency?
Hi, I'm calling for a neighbor. He's acting crazy outside. He's over there screaming through the door. Repent. He said, he told the person in the car, I've got two bodies buried back here. He was saying, I'm in my right mind.
Exit the residence with your hands up and empty.
As this was unfolding, two additional officers arrived and positioned themselves to the east of the suspect's home at the intersection of West Carla Vista Drive and North Country Club Way, effectively preventing any further traffic from entering the area. At this point, both ends of the 3500 block of West Carla Vista Drive were blocked by patrol vehicles. From this vantage point, the two officers on the east end of Carla Vista observed a male they believed to be the suspect. He was on the street with an unknown object in his hands, walking around and not following the other officers' commands to go back inside his home while inside the established perimeter. Here is another view of the male the officers on the east side of the established perimeter were focusing on. After nearly 8.5 minutes, the suspect exited the screen doorway of his home and raised his gun towards officers positioned on the west of the perimeter.
Drop the gun, Luciano. Drop the gun so I can help you.
Officers on the east side of the perimeter saw the male with an unknown object in his hand, making movements indicative of a person armed with a weapon and pointing it toward their fellow officers on the west side of the perimeter. Believing the male was the armed suspect shooting at officers, one officer perceived an immediate threat and fired one round, striking the male. This is the body-worn camera view from that officer just before he fired. That male was later identified to be the